Seana from the Seana Method, and I am in the kitchen today sharing some tips to help you be more productive in your kitchen. And I wanted to share a tool that I love having in my kitchen. I actually have multiples, and that is Montana jars. You can find them on Amazon and in the Container Store and other places. Montana jars, they're a glass jar and they have this sort of attractive wooden lid. And they're great for storing small things of which we have multiples. So you can decant like I have here with popcorn, always add a label, but it's super easy to stick a label onto this glass. Or you could use them for rice, or you could use them for small pasta or quinoa or flour, of course. But you can also use them, they come in different sizes. They're great for things like K-cups. Those can be kind of hard to store, so you can throw them in a large container. I also keep, we use Liquid IV. If you don't know what that is, you should look it up. It's a great little product. I keep all my little packets of Liquid IV in one. I use it for oatmeal and other things. So I recommend these Montana jars. If you're looking for attractive storage in the kitchen, these are very washable in between fillings, so you can keep them cleaned out, add a label, and I hope these jars help you be more productive in your kitchen.